Okay, so now we have our main terrain. Let's open. This is a front one, and we're going to create a new layer. Let's go to call this ecosystem. So I will switch obviously this to ecosystem particles. So we'll go to fill up, and now we can go in a population. Okay, let's go to general tab, and we'll go to add. Again, to add different plants, it's nice when you mix them together. So I'm going to use in a grass. I'm just going to select all these different type grass. So we'll select this one, and let's go select another one. We'll go select a bunch of grass. This from set. So we'll just select DPF1 material, and let's take a little time when it's loaded. So we'll go select another one. And maybe select Cartex. Where we have a dry weeds, we don't want those. Let's select small plants as well. Let's go to add additional plant. I'll just select grass. In this case, we'll just select different bunch of. And you know what? Let's add flowers. So I'm going to click right there. We'll go into flowers, and we'll go just add maybe some blue flowers, just different colors. And also let's select maybe those red ones. Okay, and I saw some yellows, so we can select them as well. Just different coloring. Okay, we'll go select yellow as well. Okay. The one thing I don't want to populate with a lot of flowers, so we need to actually reduce the amount of them, and we can do this by going right here in percent and just take it down. So now I think I'm taking down maybe to 2% on this, like 2% here and 2% there. Okay, we can go to disable dynamic population and click populate. It's not very big elements, and we can see how much it's populated. Again, it's quite a bit flowers there. Not necessarily I want to do that. So we can go select maybe even one. Okay, again, this is just adjusting. Okay, let's go click populate. So we have more grass. I think that is look a bit better, but we need pop-up density. Let's populate at this time. Okay, we'll go click OK. Take our camera. Okay, where is our camera? Right here, our camera. And we can just drop slightly lower so we can preview a little bit better on the flowers. So I think that is look a little bit nicer. Okay, so we have all these different flowers, yellow. Yep, they look good. Now we can start working a little bit on a back, so on these middle grounds, on this, all of them. Okay, what I want to do at this point, I want to open actually my material editor for the main terrain. And I want actually clear. The reason why I want clear, because we will repopulate after, and I don't want to take my system slow down working. Okay, remember, always save your work as you're going. So now we have these terrains, right, middle ground. Let's go double them open. And we'll go same, creating new layer. Let's go this tree call, and we'll convert to ecosystem. So in the general tab, we'll go to add plants, and I'm going actually to add trees. So we'll go inside the trees, and we'll try to mix all these different trees we can. So we'll go alter button. Okay, we'll go to add late spring. Let's maybe add large evergreen ash. We'll add all these. Okay, let's go to add a little bit different one. The more trees you have it, the more interesting will be effect when we start painting. So we'll also add even dry tree. But this one, I want to just be sure at the beginning it's 1% set on this, because I don't want too many dry trees there. Okay, we can add some manually, but I think this almost all, except this one, maybe a lime tree. Okay, So, but I don't want right now, I don't want populate all over places. I actually want to use a paint tool for this. So I'll go click on a paint tool. Let me move this to different screen so we have it a little bit more open. And in paint tool, I can select my brush for population. Okay, select everything. I will disable my limited density, so I can paint around here. Okay, we'll also take scale. Let's take scale just slightly down, I think. And you can see we can paint. It's still a little bit large, so I can go to erase them a little bit, so they're a little bit too big. Okay, let's go back to paint tool. Okay, we'll go to take scale even lower. Let's paint a little bit right there. I think this is about right size. Let's paint a little bit up front. Okay, let's look better. So I'm paint slightly right there up front, kind of like a line. Okay, you can go on the back. Remember the heel is around here, so we can paint on the side. Okay, we'll go on this heel, paint line going around that area, far away. And right here I want to hide, so I'm going to paint right around this area. Okay, so we can increase brush flow a little bit. So we have more paint, more plants kind of populating. So right there, we'll go on the edge. Okay, let's increase brush size. So we'll paint a little bit more. Zoom out. Okay, reduce brush size. Here is a kind of, you can see where's it going. Our plan, our camera view, and I'm just try to add some interesting elements to this. So we'll limit it here, maybe make just one line, like almost like this area. Right there. Okay, let's go ahead, preview. So this way I kind of want to see how its tree will look, where they're located, and I can see some of them maybe a little bit too small, so we maybe want to add more trees, definitely right here, maybe on those hills because they're hiding, and around this area add more trees, because other ones a little bit too far away. Okay, so we definitely want to add more trees around this area. You know what, we can also increase slightly scale for them. When we're going to put a little bit on the back right there. Okay, we're painting right there. Just almost like a line going. Here, and we can paint this will be on the back, so I know it's not top where I want to add right there a little bit trees, so they're more visible on the hills. And let's do on that hill as well. Okay, let's preview. Okay, as unrender, I do like how it's now located. So I think we're good on positioning and painting those plants. Remember, this top will be cover. So next things, let's work. Okay, right here we can close it, this brush, and we need to be sure it says okay on our element, on our material editor. So we'll save our work, and in next tutorial let's start work adding some hero plants and other ones.